How to make keto turkey meatballs and zoodles. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients. For ground turkey: 24-ounce ground turkey, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 3 tablespoon olive oil. For zoodles and tomato sauce: 1½ cups Rao's low-carb tomato sauce, 2 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 24-ounce spiralized zucchini, ½ cup parmesan cheese, shredded, 1/4 cup fresh basil, chopped. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. In a bowl, combine the ground turkey, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, and onion powder. Stir and mash up until combined well. 3. Using your hands, roll the turkey into the size of a meatball. 4. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the olive oil. Place the meatballs in the pan and let cook for about 2 to 4 minutes per side. 5. Remove the meatballs from the frying pan with a slotted spoon so the oil can drip off. Set aside. Leave the excess oil in the pan. 6. Add in the Rao's tomato sauce and olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and stir well. Simmer for 5 minutes. 7. Add the meatballs back into the pan to get warm. 8. Boil the spiralized zucchini in a pot of water for 1 to 2 minutes. 9. Put the boiled zucchini zoodles in a serving bowl. Drizzle with olive oil. 10. Plate the zucchini zoodles and top with the turkey meatballs. Garnish with basil and parmesan cheese. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of keto turkey meatballs and zoodles. Each serving comes out to be 785 calories, 77.6 grams fat, 7.8 grams net carbs, and 50.7 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.